Hello, I'm Grant Wallace. I'm a cardiac electrophysiologist at Bryan Heart. I've actually known that I was going to be a physician since 7 years old. My mom's 4 brothers are all physicians, my mom's a nurse, and pretty early on it was like, this is what I'm gonna do. Really was drawn to cardiology very early on in my residency training. About as soon as I got onto my cardiology rotation, onto the wards, I knew right away this is something that really appeals to me. I'm originally from Nebraska. I grew up in northeast Nebraska on a farm in Burt County. Went to school at Oakland Craig, and then came down to Lincoln and did my undergraduate studies at University of Nebraska-Lincoln. Stayed in Nebraska, but went up to Omaha and did my medical school at University of Nebraska Med Center. From then on, I did my residency in internal medicine and pediatrics at Ohio State University and Nationwide Children's Hospital, and then stayed within the Ohio State University system for my general cardiology and electrophysiology training. The field of cardiac electrophysiology is the specialty within the cardiology umbrella that focuses on heart rhythm disorders. We take care of a very wide spectrum of patients with all sorts of arrhythmic disease, whether that's palpitations, supraventricular tachycardia or SVT, atrial fibrillation. We implant pacemakers, defibrillators. So we really cover a very broad spectrum of patients and of disease processes. When I'm seeing a patient in clinic or for a procedure, my main goal is that the patient feels comfortable, that they feel that their problems are going to be addressed, that they're going to be heard. It's very important for me to have my patients understand that this is a team effort. I am there to give guidance on the medical aspect, but ultimately it's going to be a decision between both of us as to how we tackle whatever issue we may be faced with. Growing up in the state of Nebraska, the reputation of the system as a whole, and in particular the Bryan Heart group, is stellar. Incredibly friendly, very collegial, very bright, very talented, and all dedicated to the same mission, and that is to provide outstanding care to patients in Lincoln, in Nebraska, and in the region. There is nothing more rewarding in medicine than when someone comes to you sick, afraid, concerned, and you are able to provide comfort and provide a cure. And that is one of the benefits of electrophysiology. It's one of the few areas in internal medicine where we actually have the ability to cure people of certain diseases. And there is nothing more gratifying than meeting a patient in clinic, being able to go back and be happy, be active, do the things that they want to do. It is what gets me out of bed every day and motivates me to come in here and do what I do.